Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everyone, checking in on Twitter daily and weekly time frame. We added Twitter to the Chart Guys resident bull list, which is a list of tickers we follow each night with some longer term bullish trends, and we added it. I'll show you on the weekly time when I liked it to show up. So here on the daily time frame, very bullish move. We can see that on the Brexit pullback, that dump, we still maintained higher lows. This right here is when I knew the bulls were strong. 1540 was support. We hit a low of 1546. And then we can see the Brexit bounce, certainly benefiting the Twitter bulls, and maintaining the higher low in that trend is what had me looking for continuation to the upside. So an extremely bullish close on Friday with increasing volume, high volume, and the highest volume we've seen in 2 weeks. We're looking up at resistance now that $18 is psychological support level. That is key. So I'm looking at the high of Friday, $18.16, and then the next level on the weekly time frame is really $20. And that is because this lower high bounce attempt rejected from just under 18. Now that that's support, we're looking up at 1973 and 2032, the high of back in March 2016. So there will be other levels of resistance along the way, the upper Bollinger Band on the daily chart, psychological numbers 1850, 1950, but that is the clear one. And this right here is the candlestick when I started paying attention to the Twitter bulls. And that was because of a few factors. Number one, we had this little double bottom bouncing off $14 psychological support that held multiple times, and even though levels broke, we still closed above those levels on the weekly, rejected from the 10-week moving average resistance, pulled back, and then closed above it. This candle right here is when I started paying attention. Big time spike in bullish volume, and once this middle Bollinger Band became support and started holding back tests, that is when the bulls really proved themselves. We had not had support here in over a year of this middle Bollinger Band. So the fact that it became support and then held these back tests and then continued to the upside shows lots of strength. The RSI is crossing 50 to the bullish side. And if we see consolidation, we will be looking for entry because we are looking for Twitter to perform here in the second half of 2016 with markets heading towards all-time highs. We're looking now at a $20 target. So our first target of $18 has been hit, and now we're looking up to this next level, which was a lower high on the stair step down. And if this $14 level holds, we will be looking for Twitter to potentially change the overall trend. We can zoom out further and see that since the IPO, it's been a very clear downtrend since that initial pop, and looking for a change in this trend after the last couple of years to begin to unfold here. So I appreciate you watching. We'll certainly be keeping a watch here on Twitter. I do a video each night for members in our Resident Bull section. So come on by for a free week trial and check it out. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.